Slope from graph. Okay, we have the following problem. What we want to do is we want to find the slope given this graph here. So what we're going to do is we want to use two complete points here. A point that's right in the corner here. So for example, right above the -2, we have a point there. So I can go right above the -2 and place a point there. And when I read that point would be -2, 0. Now, here's another point is right here. And this point here, you're going to read the x first and then the y. You always read from left to right. So this point right here is going to be -2. We don't go anywhere on the y-axis, so that's considered to be 0. This point right here is going to be 3, 4. So this is 3 and 4. So now what we want to do is we want to go from left to right, and we want to go up or down first. So your first movement is either up or down. So in other words, you want to ride the elevator. Your next move is to go ahead and move to the right. So we're going to go up, actually to go to the right point, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to go up 4 floors. So we go up 4. And now let's count how many steps does it take us to get across. So once the elevator opens, how many steps do we take? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So my slope would be 4 over 5 because I'll go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm at the height of that point, and then I move towards it going to the right, and that gives me 4/5. Okay, next question. Let's look for two complete points here. Well, I can use -3 here, and I can use the +3 there. Now remember, this is your x, this is your y. So I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going left or right on the x. I'm at 0, and I just drop down 3. So that's 0, -3. As for this point, I go to the right 3, but I don't go up or down, so that one is 0. This is my left, and this is my right point. So what we're going to do first is go up or down. In this case, we're going to go up. We're going to go up 3. So we're going to go up 3. And now what we're doing right here, and now we want to move to the right 3. So we went up 3 and then went to the right 3. Well, you have the fraction now, 3 over 3. And what you can do with 3 over 3 is you can reduce it down. So 3 over 3 would be 1. Okay, next problem. We have a point right here, because I like looking at the, for the x and y intercepts. Where does it touch? Well, right here it touches here at the 2. And this would be 0 because we don't go left or right, but we do go up 2. So that point 0, 2. So let's look for our next complete point. So it looks like our next complete point would be right here. Now that point would be to the right 2 and then down 1. So remember, we always start at 0, so we go to the right 2 and then we drop down 1. This is my left, this is my right. So now I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3. So I'm going down 3. Now when I go down, that's going to be a negative. So that is a -3. So I'm right here. Now I'm going to move to the right 2. So I'm going to go to the right 2. So my answer would be negative 3 over 2 because we went down. So anytime you go down, that's a negative slope. So this again is going to be a negative 3 over 2. Okay, next one. We have a point right here, right at this 2. There's my y. There's my x. So that would be 0. We don't go left or right, but we do go up 2. Now as for this point, we go to the right 2, and now we don't go up or down, we just stop. So that would be 2, 0. Now this would be my left point, this would be my right point. Okay, we're going to go down 2, so we go down the line here, so that's a negative 2. So we go down 2, and now we're going to move to the right 1, 2. So now we go to the right 2. Now negative 2 over 2 reduces down to a negative 1.